ifikapo January hapo.
Kuringana na director murugamiriri wa tabarira cia uthii wa na mbere wa muingi kaunti-ini ya Nakuru mutumia ti Jennifer Bet ni ate mubango uyu ukoretwo gitabarirwo ni bengi ya thi na nginyagia na riu biacara igana rimwe ria 52 ni ireketie kuhurwo njeki na kimanjika gia ciringi milioni 87 arimi a njeki iria waru o ndomwe na mahiu magitanywo kugunika makiria.
Currently we have 217 micro project proposals, of which 65 of them have already been approved for funding. The last 152, they have been approved. Funding has also been approved, awaiting depositing of the money to the community common interest groups.
Bete ugete ikundi 824 iria mahoya mao mareketie gwetekirika magakorwo makiambiriria kwamukira mbeca ciao kwa ihinda ria wiki 2 ciguka, akiuga iguru ria uteithio wa mbeca ningi ni megukorwo makiheo motaro ma urimi mukaru kwa ihinda ria mwaka umwe.
The participants of this workshop are the technical staff from the sub-counties. We also have a panel of experts from various technical fields at the county level. They have
Kaunti no iratanya kwamukira mahoya ma arimi makinyeria 600 kwa ihinda ria mieri ena, no kurumirira arimi amwe gukorwo matari no hoti muiganu wegie tabarira iria njagiriru cia urimi gwa kahinda-ini gaka makahota o kwamukira mahoya 400 ma arimi aria marenda kuhurwo njeki kimbeca.
Many proposals have been rejected because of lacking some documents. Mine, the 8 I brought were taken because we had attached all the relevant documents. We had certified certificates, we had the list of members, we have the sub-county stamp and the CDDC stamp. The others have been refused because of small mistakes that they've been doing.
Section on budgeting, that one has been an issue previously, and we've been promised that there is now a harmonized template for budgeting of these proposals.
Tabarira ino yambikirwo mweri-ini wa Dithemba mwaka muthiru, no indi iratanywo gukorwo igitwarithio na mbere kwa ihinda ria miaka 4. Muigai wa Gathongo, Kameme TV, Matura-ini.